Now let's talk about momentum thickness. It is denoted by letter theta. Now what is momentum thickness? So this is almost similar to what we did in the displacement thickness video. Basically, it is the distance measured perpendicular to the solid boundary by which boundary will be displaced to compensate for reduction in momentum of the flowing fluid due to boundary layer formation. For displacement thickness, we have considered reduction in discharge or the reduction in mass flow rate of flowing fluid to carry out the displacement of the fluid layer. Now, to elaborate this in detail, consider two sections. Section AA without boundary layer, section BB with boundary layer. Now, what we did in the displacement thickness video was that due to formation of boundary layer, there is a reduction in the mass flow through the section BB. So if the mass flow rate is reducing, the momentum is also reducing. So consider a small strip at a distance y from the plate and dy is its thickness. So therefore, momentum of fluid per second is equal to mass per second into velocity. So this will represent momentum. So it is equal to. So for this section BB, momentum of fluid per second. So it is rho into u into b into dy into velocity u. So it is equal to rho u square b dy. Call this as equation 1. Similarly, momentum of fluid if no boundary layer is observed, that means if you consider this section AA, so the moment of fluid, so here velocity of any fluid layer, so it is equal to free stream velocity. So therefore, momentum of fluid per second without boundary layer formation, so it is equal to rho u b dy into capital U. So this discharge will remain same here, but this velocity, it is velocity of free stream. So therefore, loss of momentum see here we have considered u as a velocity of any intermediate fluid layer. That means if you consider this point, so velocity of fluid layer is u. So same for section AA, if you consider same fluid layer, its velocity is u. So the momentum will be this mass per second into capital U, free stream velocity. So loss of momentum per second through strip, so it is equal to rho u b dy into capital U minus rho u square b dy. So it is equal to rho b small u capital U minus small u into dy. So therefore the total loss of momentum we have considered a small strip, but if you apply same equation for total section BB, so it is equal to 0 to delta rho b small u capital U minus small u dy. So call this as equation number 3. Now let theta be the distance by which the plate is displaced when the fluid is flowing through the constant velocity, flowing with constant velocity. So this is your distance displaced by fluid for constant velocity. So therefore loss of momentum per second at a distance theta with velocity capital U. So it is equal to rho into theta into B into capital U into capital U. So it is equal to rho theta B capital U square. So equation 3 and 4 both representing reduction in the momentum. So therefore equating equation 3 and 4. So we'll get expression like this: rho theta B capital U square is equal to integration 0 to delta rho B small u capital U minus small u dy. So separating theta terms. So therefore theta is equal to 0 to delta small u capital U minus small u upon u square dy. So we'll get expression like this: 0 to delta small u upon capital U 1 minus small u upon capital U dy theta. So this is the mathematical relation to calculate momentum thickness. Now let's talk about the energy thickness. Energy thickness is denoted by letter delta A raised to double star. Now it is the thickness perpendicular to solid boundary by which the boundary layer should be displaced to compensate for reduction in kinetic energy of the flowing fluid in the formation of boundary layer. Now in case of displacement thickness, there was a reduction of mass flow rate. In case of momentum, there was a reduction of momentum. In similar manner, for energy thickness, there is a reduction of kinetic energy of flowing fluid to compensate this displacement of boundary layer. Right. So now we are going to derive expression for that energy thickness. Now here also we have considered two different sections: section A without boundary layer formation and section BB with boundary layer formation. So now the kinetic energy of fluid, if boundary layer formation is there, so kinetic energy of fluid with boundary layer formation, so it is equal to half mv square. So for this case, so it is half rho small u into area is b dy into small u square. So call this as equation 1. And kinetic energy of fluid without boundary layer, when there is no formation of boundary layer over the plate, so the kinetic energy will be, see, area will remain same, this velocity will remain same, only there is change in the free stream velocity. So it is rho u b dy into capital U square. So call this as equation 2. So therefore loss of kinetic energy will be from equation 1 and 2. So it is half rho small u b capital U square minus small u square dy. So therefore this is the loss for particular strip, right, or particular fluid layer. Now if you talk about total loss of kinetic energy in BB, so it is 0 to delta half rho u b capital U square minus small u square dy. So it is equal to half rho b, taking constant term outside the integration, 0 to delta small u capital U square minus small u square into dy. So call this as equation 3. So now if the boundary is displaced, this boundary is displaced. So loss of kinetic energy through delta E. Suppose it is displaced through distance delta E. So the loss of kinetic energy, if boundary displace through delta E distance, so the loss of total loss of kinetic energy is equal to half. So it is displaced through distance delta E. So area will be B into delta E. Velocity will be free stream velocity into, so this is mass flow rate, into U square is equal to half rho B delta E U cube. Call this as equation number 4. So now both these equation 3 and 4, they are representing total loss of kinetic energy. So therefore equating equation 3 and equation 4. So therefore equating equation 3 and 4. So we have equation like this: half rho B delta E U cube is equal to half rho B integration 0 to delta U into U capital U square minus small u square, small u into capital U square minus small u square dy. So therefore delta E is equal to 0 to delta, cancelling similar terms. So we have expression like this: small u upon capital U 1 minus small u upon capital U square dy. So this is the mathematical relation to calculate the energy thickness.